welcome to the second episode of Sneakers Unboxing with Moy. And today I have the Yeezy 500s from the Cinco de Mayo restock. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box and the Caesars. Let me get to it. Alright, so I know these came back in or they released in November, and they just did a recent restock of Cinco de Mayo, if y'all know. So if you didn't, now you know. So y'all already know. Here is the 500. Alright, so of course just the 500 in the front, and then we have the made by Adidas, and then the sizing of the shoes. So let's open this bad boy up. Damn, these things are huge. Oh my. Alright, so here is the 500 in its full form, I guess you could say. This does not have boost. This is something called Adiprene Plus. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but these shoes are humongous. I'm not even playing with you. This thing is like big. Okay, really bulky. Once you see these in person, these are something else. I don't know. But let me take out the other pair. We can get a closer look at them. So here they are. And I don't know. There's not much to say about these shoes. They're just crazy. I don't know. Like all the details about them, even the back of these shoes are kind of crazy. All I know, these were for retail 200, so plus tax depending on the state you're living in. One thing I forgot to mention about the shoe is the reflective lining that goes all across the side of the shoe. So right here where my finger is where all the reflective lining is. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it, but it goes on top of the toe box as well, all around, and then on the side again, of course, and then it stops on these two ends where my fingers are. So that's just a small detail, of course, to point out. Let me just get you a closer shot on these shoes, and then y'all let me know, because I don't know what to think of these right now. Up the video. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe, and I'll catch you on the next one.